welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's fifth-generation stealth fighter jet, designed to compete with some of the most advanced aircraft in the world, such as the American F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. At its core, this aircraft represents a blend of cutting-edge engineering, raw power, and modern warfare capability, yet with its own unique Russian design philosophy that sets it apart from Western jets. When we talk about the Su-57, the first thing that comes to mind is its role. It was built to serve as a multi-role fighter, meaning it can handle both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions effectively, giving the Russian Air Force a versatile platform for future conflicts. Unlike many earlier Russian aircraft, which were built with a heavy focus on speed and maneuverability, but often lagged in stealth and electronics, the Su-57 aims to bring all these aspects together in a single package. From a design perspective, the Su-57 stands out with its sharp, angular lines that help reduce its radar cross-section, giving it stealth capabilities. It's not fully invisible to radar, but its design significantly lowers its detectability compared to older jets like the Su-27 or MiG-29. The airframe uses composite materials that not only cut down weight but also absorb radar waves, further enhancing stealth. You'll also notice the aircraft has internal weapons bays, which is a signature feature of stealth fighters. By carrying missiles and bombs inside the fuselage rather than on external pylons, it reduces the radar signature and makes the jet harder to track. At the same time, if needed, the Su-57 can also carry weapons on external hardpoints, giving it flexibility depending on the mission. Performance is where the Su-57 truly shines. Powered by twin engines, this fighter jet is capable of achieving supersonic speeds without using afterburners, a feature known as supercruise. This allows it to maintain high speeds while saving fuel, which is extremely useful in long-range missions. Its maximum speed is estimated at around Mach 2, which is twice the speed of sound, and it has a combat range of more than 1,500 kilometers without refueling. What really makes the Su-57 special, though, is its maneuverability. The jet incorporates thrust vectoring engines, which means the nozzles of the engines can move in different directions, giving the pilot the ability to perform extreme maneuvers that would be impossible for most other aircraft. This makes it not only fast but also incredibly agile in dogfights, staying true to Russia's tradition of building highly maneuverable fighter jets. The cockpit of the Su-57 has also been designed with modern warfare in mind. Features advanced avionics, digital displays, and a highly automated system that reduces the pilot's workload. The pilot receives information through a heads-up display and helmet-mounted display, making it easier to track targets and manage weapon systems. Additionally, the aircraft is equipped with artificial intelligence assistance, which helps with threat detection, mission planning, and even some levels of autonomous operation. This makes the Su-57 not just a fast and stealthy machine, but also a smart one, capable of adapting to the fast-changing conditions of modern aerial combat. One of the key selling points of the Su-57 is its sensor suite and radar system. The aircraft uses an advanced ESA radar, which allows it to detect and track multiple targets at long distances. What makes it more interesting is that the Su-57 incorporates radar systems not just on the nose, but also on the sides of the fuselage and even on the wings, giving it a wide field of coverage. This means the jet can monitor threats from different directions at the same time, which provides a huge advantage in combat situations. On top of that, it has infrared search and track systems that allow it to detect enemy aircraft by their heat signatures, which is especially useful against stealthy opponents that may be hard to pick up on radar. In terms of armament, the Su-57 can carry a wide variety of weapons, ranging from air-to-air missiles designed for dogfighting and long-range engagements, to precision-guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles for striking ground targets. Among its most notable weapons is the K-77M Beyond Visual Range missile, which has an advanced seeker for locking onto distant targets. It also carries short-range missiles for close combat and is equipped with a 30mm cannon for situations where traditional guns still matter. By combining this diverse weapons load with its stealth and agility, The Su-57 is designed to operate effectively in different combat scenarios, whether it's gaining air superiority or supporting ground forces. Another unique aspect of the Su-57 is its emphasis on versatility and cost-effectiveness compared to Western counterparts. While American jets like the F-35 are heavily reliant on stealth and advanced electronics, the Su-57 combines stealth with the raw maneuverability and durability for which Russian aircraft are famous. This gives it a broader mission profile. It can be stealthy when needed, but it doesn't compromise on speed or agility. Russia has also marketed the aircraft for export, branding it as the Su-57E for foreign customers. Countries looking for a fifth-generation fighter but unable to afford Western options may find the Su-57 appealing due to its balance between performance and cost. Critics, however, argue that the Su-57 still faces challenges. Some prototypes were built with older engines, and the new next-generation Izdalia 30 engines are still in development. Without these, the jet cannot fully achieve the intended level of performance, especially in supercruise capability. Production has also been slower than expected, with only a limited number of jets currently in service. Additionally, compared to Western fifth-generation fighters, the Su-57's stealth capabilities are often questioned, with some analysts suggesting it is not as stealthy as the F-22 or F-35. Still, supporters believe that the Su-57 doesn't need to match Western stealth one-to-one, because its superior maneuverability, advanced sensors, and weapons balance out the difference. Another interesting point is the Su-57's role in modern warfare beyond traditional dogfighting. The aircraft has been designed to work with drones and unmanned systems. Russia has been developing the Okhotnik B stealth drone, which is expected to operate alongside the Su-57 in a loyal wingman role. This means the Su-57 could control drones in battle, sending them ahead to scout or even carry out strikes, extending its effectiveness without putting the pilot at risk. This shows that the Su-57 is not just a fighter for today, but also a platform being adapted for the future of aerial warfare, where manned and unmanned systems will operate side by side. From a layman's perspective, if we break it down simply, the Su-57 is like a blend of stealthy invisibility, blazing speed, and the acrobatic agility of a gymnast in the sky. It is designed to sneak up on opponents, strike with powerful weapons, and if caught in a dogfight, dance circles around them thanks to its thrust vectoring engines. It's Russia's answer to Western dominance in fifth-generation aircraft, offering a jet that may not be perfect in every single category, but is a formidable all-rounder. For fans of aviation, the Su-57 is fascinating because it represents a different approach to what a stealth fighter should be. In conclusion, the Sukhoi Su-57 is an ambitious fighter jet that combines stealth, speed, maneuverability, and advanced avionics into a single platform. While it still has hurdles to overcome in production and full-scale deployment, its design philosophy makes it stand out as a unique entry in the fifth-generation fighter race. For Russia, it's a symbol of technological progress and military pride. And for the global stage, it is a reminder that the competition for air superiority remains as fierce as ever. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast looking at its technical marvels, or just someone who enjoys the idea of a jet that can perform jaw-dropping maneuvers while staying hidden from enemy radar, the Su-57 has something to capture your imagination. It is not just a machine of war, but also a showcase of how far human ingenuity can go when designing the ultimate flying predator.